Man escapes from Runaway Bay police lockup.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The St. Anne police have launched a manhunt for a prisoner who escaped from the Runaway Bay police lockup this morning. The escapee has been identified as 31-year-old Dale Douglas, who was in custody on charges of having sex with someone under the age of 16 and assault occasioning grievous bodily harm. The details surrounding Douglas's escape are not known at this time. The police are urging the public to be on the lookout for Douglas. Anyone with information on his whereabouts are being asked to contact the Runaway Bay police at 876-973-7057, the police 119 emergency number, or Crime Stop at 311. Of note, the constabulary force has been dogged by several jailbreaks on corruption allegations since last year.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!